Hey, if you're watching this video, that means that you're probably interested in knowing how can I gain truck driving experience if I'm a brand new driver and I just have my CDL license. Well, in this video I'm going to explain the whole thing, so make sure you watch all the way to the very end. So when it comes to actually gaining trucking experience, because a lot of people are actually thinking, well, why do I even need trucking experience? I have my license, right? That means I'm a professional driver. Well, that means that you actually have a trucking license. Does not mean that you're technically a professional driver, right? That being said, a lot of people who actually get their license, the next big hurdle that they have to jump through is finding a job. And a lot of companies out there won't actually hire you unless you have trucking experience. So now a lot of people are caught in like a catch-22, where, okay, I got my license, but not a lot of people are willing to hire me if I don't have experience. So how do I get the experience if people aren't willing to hire me? Which makes it very, very confusing and very, very frustrating for anybody going through that process. So the cool thing about being a student here at Driving Academy is that we figured all of that out just for you, right? The first thing is we wanted to make sure that we're giving you the proper CDL training so you can be able to pass your road test the first time, plus you have real world experience. Now, no means are we saying that you're going to be professional just by graduating here at Driving Academy, because you're just learning a brand new skill. You should know, no matter what you're professional at, it takes a few different years of doing that skill over and over and over again to actually get to the professional level, right? I mean, just think about any of the professional ball players out there. You think that they just went to school one time and now all of a sudden they're a professional and people are actually paying them to be a professional football, basketball, soccer, whatever you like, right? Doesn't really make sense. That was years of experience, years of commitment, years of training in order to get to that professional level. And at the professional level, that's where everybody gets paid the most money. And it's the same thing no matter what profession that you're in. So you're going to need some experience if you want to make the most amount of money possible. But the cool thing about being a student here at Driving Academy is that we actually have lifetime job placement provided with all of our courses. So if you're a student here at Driving Academy, it does not matter which course that you sign up for, we're here to help you out up until the day you die with your lifetime job placement. So how can we actually skip over that step of drivers getting stuck between a rock and a hard place of, okay, I got my license, but no one's willing to hire me because I have no experience? Well, the cool thing about us is because of our training program is so strong and so tight, a lot of the companies outside there are knowing exactly how good our training program is, knows exactly the quality of training that our students get and the quality of students that we produce once they actually get their CDL license, where they're actually willing to hire our students right out of school, even if they have no experience. And because of that, we continue to grow that relationship and it builds off itself. So you, as a future student, are now benefiting from our old student success of going to different companies, getting hired, doing a good job, and now they're like, whoa, Driving Academy is actually a pretty cool school. Let me hire some more people coming out of there. So that's one of the great things about actually getting more experience if you're a brand new driver, is you have to pick the proper school, because the school has to have the relationships needed to find you the job that you want right out of school, even if you have no experience. Now, we've been doing this a long time. We've trained over 5,000 students, and that number keeps going up every single day. So we have countless of connections. We probably have around anywhere from 2 to 5 different companies every single week giving us a call, asking and begging us for even more and more drivers. So if you are interested in getting yourself experience right off the bat and making sure that you're getting paid, we have many companies who are willing to help you out. All you have to do is graduate here, which is the best truck driving school in the entire country, called Driving Academy. So if you are interested in learning more, give our team a call at 908-525-3609 or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.